My name is Dustin Newcomb. I'm the Director of Exhibits for the Wiess Energy Hall, and this is our entry area. We have a large offshore platform here that we're looking at with a 40-foot long LED wall that QST and Paul Emmer put together for us, G-Force. I've worked for the museum for about 2 years now. Before that, I was the project manager on this. I worked for a design build company, and we subcontracted G-Force and QST to put this together for us. 1,000 people a day or so come through here to see this. It's held up really well. Warranty work is superb on it. We've been really happy with it. This is one of the better exhibits here at the museum.
My name is Paul Emmer, the president of G-Force Animation Inc. here in Houston, Texas. We were involved with the project with the LED wall that I'm standing right in front of. It is 40 feet wide by 12.5 feet tall, 4K curved, a 3 mil pitch wall. My role in the project was to work with the manufacturer QST LED, John who is fantastic, does an amazing job with the warranty. He was there all the time. His product is very, very good, very superior, and just as good as anything else out there. The museum has been very happy with it. I had the opportunity to be the go-between between the manufacturer, install, handle project management, and have one of the first and the largest curved 4K LED walls in a museum in the United States of America. Highly recommend John Who and QST LED.